Alright, today we're going to be trying to change the master cylinder on a 99 Ford Ranger. First thing, there's a clip underneath the foot pedal that you have to pull out. It twists around this. And then there's a metal rod that hooks to your actual pedal itself. Looks like that. See that clip right here? We have to beat out of right there. You have to use a punch and a hammer to knock that clip out. Alright, I'm going to get that done and I'll come back. As soon as you push the pin out, that goes right there, it should pop straight out. Like that. Try not to lose the seal that's on the end, otherwise it won't reseal. This is the new replacement clutch master cylinder for the 99 Ranger. We're going to try to bench bleed this the best we can before we try to put it down in there. Otherwise we're going to have to re-bench bleed it when we get it down there. And I don't want to deal with the air.
This is the bench bleeding. So what you'll do is you'll put your fluid in here, then operate the pressure there
Until it stops blowing bubbles.
until it stops blowing the bubbles. That's how you can make sure all the air is out of your lines.
Alright, now's the fun part in this dirty truck. Up in here, let me see if I can turn the flash on. Alright, see that square box right there? Get it. Alright, see this? This has to go inside this square. And in order to lock it, sorry everybody, you have to get it up in there and twist it. I'm going to do that and I'll be right back. Alright, I got the rod put back in and I've got it twisted around like it's supposed to be. See how it's halfway in the center? That way it doesn't slide back out. And then up in here, you have the rod connects to the actual pedal. You got to make sure you push that on real tight, otherwise it won't snap on. Alright, now we're working on a neutral safety switch. You got to get it put on the rod the same way you took it off. It's got these 4 tabs on the sides. And you just pry it off with a screwdriver in the beginning. It should just pop right back in the same way you took it out. Alright, let me get this put in and I'll show you how to bleed it. Alright, first thing you want to do is make sure that your fluid's all the way to the top. Make sure you ain't got any leaks or any drips coming from your new part. And we are good. And then you're going to have to get a buddy in here. Get in there, start pushing that pedal. Wishy wishy. While I climb underneath and start twisting on that valve. Alright, now to bleed the clutch, you got to have someone inside pumping and flopping the pedal from the floor to the top. And then down here, let me turn some light on. There's a bleeder screw right there. It's a 10 millimeter. And then you can look through this hole and watch the clutch move. Once the clutch presses the plate in as far as it can go, then you're done bleeding. And believe me, it's going to take you about 100 times of bleeding this thing to get all the air out. My catch bottle fell over. So, yeah, you could take a piece of hose and stick it on there and then use your 10 millimeter and then run the hose into a catch bottle. That way you don't lose all your fluid. But I guess that's everything, boys. The end of our changing the clutch master on a 99 Ford Ranger. If you like the content, please like and subscribe and leave me a comment below. If you need any help on anything, let me know and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thank you, everybody. Have a good day.